Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture let's go ahead and look at the read method in Python and how to use it. So we have what is called a read method because in the previous lecture we were able to create a function that helps us to read the content of the file, and I believe you have this file already in your system which we created in the previous lecture. So we created this file in the previous lecture, and we entered some text into it, and we have hello world, welcome to Python programming, and you are doing good. Now go ahead and close that. We want to read this file in Python, and we're going to use a method called a read method that helps us to read the content of a file. Okay, it's very easy and it's very straightforward. This is not the use of a function, and it's very direct. Let's go ahead and see. We have file, let's call that fp is equal to open. Now we have to open a file and go ahead and copy the part of this file. Go ahead and copy the part of the file, very important, and then you go ahead and append python.txt. that is the name of this file. Go ahead and paste that right inside here. Okay, now change all the backward slashes to forward slashes, very important. Change all the backward slash to forward slash. Change all this, all right. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and append / python.txt. that is the name of the file, very important. Now go ahead and say, let's say data is equal to fp, dot read. Okay, fp.read. Then we go ahead and say fp.close. So you have to close the file. Now let's go ahead and run this. And the file has not been read properly. Now let's go ahead and print it out. Okay, now we have opened and we've read. Let's go and print the content of the file out. So let's say print and use this function and insert data right in there. Now if we've done that, go ahead and run this code again and let's check it out. Can you see that? Hello world, next line, welcome to Python programming, next line, you are doing good. Now I want to remove all this next line. How can we do that? Close this. Let's go ahead and do that. We're going to remove that without using a function, just like we did in the previous lecture, but here is without a function. Go ahead and say data is equal to data dot split. Go ahead and use split and impute next line right in there. So anyway, you say next line, to go ahead and remove that. That's why you say split, and then go ahead and print just data. Okay, go ahead and print out data. Now go ahead and run this code again. Let's check it out. And here you can see hello world. Look at the original text. Hello world, next line, welcome to Python programming, next line, you are doing good. Now it went ahead and just pick it out. Hello world, welcome to Python programming, you are doing good. All right, can you see that? It works out very fine and very sweet. So I believe that is really very interesting and straight to the point. Now I believe you can now put this down on your own system and play around with it. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.